How have landmark legal custody cases changed parental rights? Imagine a world where parents' rights to raise their children are protected by the law. Over the years, key court cases have shaped how courts view and decide custody and parental rights. These cases have made it clear that parents have a strong constitutional right to care for and make decisions about their children. The most famous case is Troxel versus Granville from the year 2000. The Supreme Court ruled that parents have a fundamental right to decide how to raise their children. Courts cannot give visitation rights to third parties unless they show that denying it would harm the child. This case made it harder for others to interfere with parental decisions without good reason. Before that, in the year 1972, the case Stanley versus Illinois changed things for unwed fathers. It said that fathers who are fit should have the same rights to custody and visitation as married fathers. This was a big step toward fairness, making sure that a child's biological father is not ignored just because they are not married. Other important cases also help protect parental rights. For example, Wisconsin versus Yoder in the year 1970 allowed parents to homeschool their children. Cases like Meyer versus Nebraska and Pierce versus Society of Sisters protected parents' authority to decide how and where their children learn. These rulings created what is called the Parental Rights Doctrine, which says parents have a right to guide their children's education and upbringing. In recent years, courts have also looked at cases involving grandparents or other relatives who want custody or visitation. For example, in a Texas case called in Ray CJC, a father who was fit wanted custody, but a non-relative also sought custody. Courts now carefully weigh the rights of parents against those of others, often favoring the parents unless there is clear evidence of harm. Thanks to these cases, legal standards now say that courts should assume fit parents are acting in their child's best interests. Courts need strong proof if they want to override a parent's right to make decisions. This means custody and parenting plans are now made with a focus on respecting parental rights while making sure the child's needs are met. In family law, these landmark cases have made it clear that parents' rights are protected by the Constitution. Courts are cautious about interfering with custody unless there is a real reason. This legal foundation helps create stable arrangements for children and recognizes the changing nature of families today.